What's the deal, you guys? CEO and K back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create an LLC or an incorporation in 3 simple steps. The first thing that you want to do is do a business name search to make sure that the company name and or brand that you're creating name is available. You don't want to get in a position where somebody sends you a copyright letter down the line saying that you have to cease and desist everything that you're doing because you didn't understand that the name was being used beforehand. This step is simple. All you have to do is do a Google search. Type in business search with the name of the state that you're in. So if you're in California, it will be business search California. The website that you're looking for is sos.ca.gov. If you're in Arizona, it will be business search Arizona. The website that you will be looking for is sos.az.gov. The SOS stands for Secretary of State. This is going to handle all of your business matters. Once you're on the Secretary of State's website, you're going to want to go to New Search, click Business Name, and type in the business name that you have or want to start the brand for. Sidebar: if you're planning to use this company to go for funding or business banking, you want to make sure that you do not put in the business name that you're using for the industry that you're involved in. Prime example, if you're doing t-shirts, don't put the name t-shirt or apparel in your company name. Once you're on the Secretary of State's website, you want to look for forms. The specific form that you're looking for is Articles of Incorporation. This is going to allow you the ability to submit this form and be recognized by the state as a legitimate business. The second form that you guys want to look for is the Statement of Information form. This is going to allow you to submit this form to the Secretary of State for them to understand exactly what your business is, who owns it, and where they can find you. The third and final step is applying for your EIN. This is pretty much going to be your business social security number. With this number, you can apply for business credit cards, open a bank account, and or qualify for funding for your business for future investments or promotion. Applying for your EIN is simple. All you have to do is go to www.irs.gov. In the top right hand corner of their website, you can click Apply for New EIN. Follow the steps in applying for your new EIN, and at the end, you're going to be able to print out your new EIN and tax ID number.